Got it here, a really expensive wine bottle opener. This is $145. Look, it even has magnets. Fancy. So this is for those really fancy bottle of wines that is aged for many years, and the cork is going to be really soft. So that's what you want to use to open it very carefully. There's the simple instructions. Step 1, we're gonna put this corkscrew, I think they call it hex, down first, like that. Then you're gonna put it between the bottle and a cork to here and here. And you're going to just push it between the bottle and a cork. In and out like that, looks like. That's kind of comfortable. You see how it goes through the blade? All the way in. Boom. And you see the metal part all the way through here and all the way through here. And the next step, all we have to do is just rotate it like this and pull it up. I guess the whole thing. Or even like that. Either way. Boom. And we took the cork out. Obviously this is a newer bottle, but if you had a really vintage bottle, the cork is very brittle after many years. So and then you just take it apart, and those old bottles in the thousands of dollars. So if you can afford a bottle of wine in the thousands of dollars, you can afford $150 corkscrew. That's for sure, right? Let's do it one more time. There's also a quick life hack. If you don't have a knife, we can just grab it and remove the plastic on this kind of bottles. So one more time. Find the middle, put it all the way through. And then this one, not gonna go into those holes. It's gonna go between the bottle. First this edge, then line it up and put it this edge and go in and out. And as you can see, I kind of like it that it's transparent so we can see what's going on. Push it all the way through like this, and then just grab it and twist it. Twist it up. That's it. That's definitely very unique technique. Definitely a restaurant grade over here, I guess, too. Wow, pretty beautiful. And once we're done with this, to put it away, I do like it how it slides in together. Obviously clean it off. That looks beautiful. It comes with this amazing case. And on top of that, you can put it back into this instruction. It has a little Velcro to where you don't have to even rip it off and keep this little instruction together. Got it here, the best electric set to process the fish, especially the big stuff. So as you can see, this is a soft case, fits in there really well. You can take it out, clean it. That's beautiful. And what kind of knives we got here? Wow, look how many. So we can flip this over, and you got right here so many different knives. And look at that, they actually hold on together. And I guess they're gonna go in and out like that, like a little saw, because they stay together. And obviously it's gonna go bigger and bigger. You see, it's gonna go like that and cut the fish with two little blades. One more blade. Wow, that's a really long one. And look how flexible that is. Incredible. Super flexible, so you can cut the fish and slide it. So let's try to plug it in. Just locks in simply. Okay, then there's the safety, press that, and then it's gonna go in and out. Wow, look how fast that is. And as you can see, it's pretty flexible. Wow, it's sharp at the end over there. Beautiful. So yeah, to remove this, obviously unplug it and just press this and pull it out. Simple. Need a different one. Let's say you need something smaller. Plug it in right here. It should go in there pretty good. Lock in, lock in. Okay, press safety and very nice. Look at that. And this one will be even more flexible. That is cool. Okay, sits in there really nice and neat. I really like that. But even better, this one is on batteries. Wow. Comes with 2 batteries if you need to. Comes with the charger right here. So just for fun, how do you... Oh, there you go. There's already 2 batteries, so you can get a 3rd one in here. And one is on a tool. So you can fit 3 batteries in here. That is more than enough, I hope. And just slides in like this. Kind of complicated. There you go. And press this and it's going. And it's going to be pretty much the same blades. Yep, that is amazing. So this one on batteries if you don't want to deal with the cord, or you have to do it where there is no plug on a dot or something. Amazing. So yeah, these 2 are the best fishing processors knives. Oh, look at that. There's a little compartment over here for maybe other knives as well. I really like that. Got right here weirdest umbrella for the sun. Look at it. It has a little propeller for the air to blow on your face. But also right here, if you take this out, you can put a spray bottle. Just plug it in like this and then screw it on. Oh yeah, it feels like a rain under the umbrella. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh, now I get it. This is a rain umbrella. I see how there's the clouds in there. So that way you walk in a hot day with the rain umbrella. I don't know if you guys can see it, but especially on this side, I have lots of rain coming through. Look at my head. It especially feels good with the bald head. I can feel everything, all the wetness going from the umbrella. So there you go, rain umbrella. Except on a sunny day, you're too hot, you turn the fan on and it will distribute the spray everywhere. Wow, now I get it why there's clouds on top there. There's actually spraying from 2 sides. And the fan make it kind of spray everywhere else. Usually you hide from the rain in an umbrella. With this one you're actually opposite. You hide from the sun and get into the rain. That is hilarious. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's definitely lots of little droplets going through. And it feels much cooler standing under that rain umbrella. Oh no, I ran out of water, but I guess I could plug in my own water over here. You see how there is a fan? I thought at first the fan was for getting some coolness. All it is just to distribute the water. Water wobble, fill them over and over again. So it's like water balloons in a sense. There's a description how to use them. Oh, check this out. It comes out like that to fill it up. And then whenever you throw it at somebody, it's supposed to like unspin. And then you can throw it this way. So just push the water hose in and let's fill it up. Wow, it's on a lot of water. That's a bit too big, so we could probably release some of that and then push through the wobble. Okay, and then we have water balloon reusable. Let's throw it something, see if it actually works. Okay, there is a wall. So I guess it did splash out a little bit, not bad. Let's see if it's reusable. And then again put it over, fill it in. Wow, it can fill up pretty good. Okay, we got water wobble, and then you can just push through and water will not escape. Okay, let's try it out. It doesn't really spill that much. Like balloon would burst all the way, so pretty unique though. So a little bit of a wetness on the wall, but most is spilled out when it fell on the floor. So not like a water balloon when it's burst out the way. Mathematic Super Grape. This is folding jar opener. As you can see, it'll fit in there pretty good. Boom. Just spin it, look at that. It's bite into it so well. And again, fold it whenever you don't need it, pull it, grab it, and look at that. The jar lid just stays in here. And once you're done, Just fold it and put it away. Takes up way less space and it's gonna last you a lifetime, because look at that, it's all metal. But you know what I recently discovered about this new zip ties? Maybe not new, but for me it is new. It's a zip tie, but if you look at this side here, there's a little latchet to where you press it and you can release it. You see it? Which is perfect reusable zip ties. I never seen that before. Only maybe like super heavy duty handcuffs or style ones, and you would have to have a key. This one already built in a little button. You see? Detach it, boom. So probably be best to work with the big ones. Also, as you can see, this one, the rubber band holds them together. It's nice, it's a usable zip ties. For prepping, you definitely need them. There's a lot of applications for zip ties and life hacks. But you know, if zip ties breaks, it's a mess. You know what I found? A little gadget like that. Holds all your zip ties together. And then just put it through and slide it all the way down. Kind of like that. And so now they organize. You can put it on a belt if you need to use the bunch of them. You could just grab one and pull out, pull out. Don't have to adjust anything. So you can just grab and go. This is a really cool zip tie organizer. You can just put them back in by just opening that, slide it back in, hang it somewhere or put it in your drawer, and they're very, very secured. Got it here, glow in the dark little pellets over here, and this is so unique. This one is rubber. This one, a little tube, feels like a little liquid inside there, but it's actually plastic tube with a bunch of pellets. And one of these little pouches. So weird. It's glowing almost in a really bright room. Yeah, super bright. It's like a reusable glow stick in a sense. It's crazy. Kind of like this one's too the most. Wow. And all I did is just left it in the sun for a little bit. Little pouch right here. And it emits a little bit of light. It just looks super cool. Found that stuff on Amazon. And yes, this is probably the coolest can opener. And one more time I'll show you this can opener. And one more time I'll show you this can opener, how cool that is. You go through it, we'll test it on a bigger jar. And then you just twist it. How cool is that? It just slides through it, and this wheels on the bottom just grabs onto it, and it can open in even this big jars. I haven't tested it on these big jars, and as you can see, it's doing so well. Look at this little rubber wheel. That's how it grips on and slides through.